I'm glad I didn't wrap them and just let them go all the way through. 2.5 hours. Got myself some leftover pork shoulder. Well, this came from one of them super big pork shoulders from Costco. I was able to cut this thing up to 4 pieces. So what I'm gonna do, I call myself doing an invention. Shawana, remember I said, what if we call these boneless rib tips?
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, it's got some nice fat on here, man. Yeah, I'm expecting this to be good. Go ahead and lay some of this to the side. Get organized a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna do this. All right, like that. That's about what? 2 inches?
2 inches, yeah, about 2.
And it's gonna be super simple. We like to keep it simple. Now, we ain't gonna be able to do nothing with that. That's just all fat. I might throw it on the smoker though, crisp it up, and make me some skins. Smoked skins. What you think about that?
That's a good idea.
Probably chop these up like that, because they gonna shrink. Check that out. Alright. Slice them up. See, this is cool because you ain't gotta slice them super small or nothing like that. It's your demo, do what you want. See how these are nice and meaty. I'll take this one down just a little bit. That one got my name on it. Yeah. I know that one gonna be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with my favorite seasoning of this barbecue season. St. Elmo's steak seasoning. You got everything you need. Get your favorite rub. Do you, boo.
Do you, boo?
We want these babies covered. Let's get the other side. We want every time you take a bite, be like, ooh, ooh. And let's throw these skins up in there. Like my seasoning in.
Uh-huh.
I think I want a little more pepper though. Let's get a little more pepper. Just like that. Come here. Let's just sit out for about an hour. And I don't know. We're going to probably smoke at 275. All right. We got 250 going. We might get up to 275. Yeah. See, you thought I was just going to do that. Yeah. So I want them to get some open smoke. Try to fit all these on here. Let's see. Do you think we can do it? I think I'm going to throw a piece of hickory up in there. Let's get the inside circle. Oh man, oh man. They'll be all right packed in. Yeah, y'all. We got them all up in there. I see a paper towel, baby. Wipe my hands. Thank you. All right. So I'm gonna check on these in about an hour. Try to give them a little flip or something. Give them a little help. I'm looking forward to these. Let's do it. All right, let's get this hickory in now. I didn't have enough hickory, but I got some post oak to go along with it. All right. So we'll see how that's gonna taste. Post oak with hickory. Okay. Rolling about 275. Been an hour. See what we got. A little. Oh yeah, that looks good. Making a mess. It's alright. Ooh, yes, baby. Look, I was looking already from the smoke ring. I'm just gonna keep on letting it do its thing. Give it about another hour. We'll be back in 30 minutes. 30 more minutes. Looking delicious.
Good.
155. Trying to see, get a little more color. I think I'm gonna take it to about 165 and then wrap it. How about that? It's getting tender already too. Which is, wow, that's crazy. Shoot, I don't know, might not need to wrap, huh? What you think?
Don't look like it.
We'll see. We gonna fill it out. Ooh wee! Look at what we working with, y'all. They ready to come off now. Ooh. I'm glad I didn't wrap them and just let them go all the way through. 2.5 hours of pure smoke. I'm finna go eat. All right. So those rib tips, boneless rib tips, ain't gonna be nothing without a good barbecue sauce. So check this out. We're gonna make one from scratch. We got us a nice yellow onion here. Be nice and oniony. We're gonna sweat them down. And boy, natural sugars are gonna release too once we let these sweat down enough. I think that's all the chopping we need to do. This is what I got. I got 3 cloves of garlic. Let's get this garlic minced. It's gonna be a nice, organic, robust, sweet, tangy barbecue sauce. Can't get it like this in no store. Oh, it's like that minced garlic in the store. Man, that I wouldn't buy at all.
And mess it yourself.
You see how different it look when it be in that jar? I'll be like, why it look like that?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get a little butter up in here. I would say this is roughly 4 tablespoons. That's to add a little flavor to them sweating down the onion. Oh, this ketchup here ain't been open. What?
You know I love my ketchup.
All right. So of course, you need some type of tomato-based product for barbecue sauce, and we're using ketchup. All right, that is 2 cups. All right. A little bit of mustard. A little Dijon mustard right there. Do a little Worcestershire sauce. It's about 2 tablespoons. Freestyle. Yeah, so that's probably what? That's we're calling that a quarter cup. Molasses. 2 tablespoons. So I think a little liquid smoke. Let's get these onions up in here. We gotta put a little salt on your onions there. Put a little pepper on there. Let it sweat down. Let's do the dry ingredients. what makes this barbecue sauce what it is. We're gonna do it sweet. It ain't gonna be super sweet. Some people might do like a whole 3/4 cup. We only doing 1/3 cup. Trying to watch our sugar intake around here. All right, let's do a tablespoon of paprika. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of chili powder, teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of Diamond Crystal kosher salt, half teaspoon of black pepper. Oh yeah, see, this is another secret ingredient. What we doing, baby? What we doing? Yeah, half teaspoon of special dark Hershey's cocoa. Just a little bit of red pepper flakes right there. A half teaspoon of cumin. That's it. Oh man, look how we got this. Ooh-wee. Look how we got these onions sweated down. We got a little brown butter going on with it. Oh man, get my garlic up in there now. So I had my onions simmering about how long, baby? 15 minutes. 15 minutes simmer. Super low temperature on my portable cooker here. Only got it on the 1 setting. So probably be like that on your stove. Put it on 1 or 2. This garlic only need to be in here for about 1 good minute. I smell them onions. I smell that garlic. Yeah. Got all that wet seasoning in there. Throwing it dry. Instead of popping and dropping. Putting a little lime in here. So that's all the simmering I need to do, y'all. That was only about 4 minutes. Now I'm just gonna let it sit and cool. Go ahead and cover it up and let it hang out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is looking good. So what we gonna do is we're just gonna thin it out just a little bit. So let me see, I got 6 ounces of water. Yeah, okay. It's looking like barbecue house barbecue sauce. That. Yeah, buddy.
So good.
Come check it out.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's official.
Yeah.
Like that. That's official.
Yeah, like that. Bam.
That looks good.
Perfect consistency. All right, folks, let's go ahead and strain it. Do this so it don't get caught up and stuck in the squeeze bottles. And sometimes when you blend it, it changes colors. So I don't want to change no colors of it. All right, just like that. Let's get bottled up, y'all. Bottled up. Boom. We've been taking off like little bits, just snacking on them. You know?
That's delicious.
Oh man, that's just plain. Man.
That's sauce.
Uh-oh, making a mess. Look at that. Chicago style. Lock in with me, baby. Hey, I don't know if there's no restaurants doing this already. Boy, people find out about this. Boneless rib tips. Y'all saw how we did it. Man, y'all better do this, man.
Taste one with the sauce. Taste one with the sauce.
Look, it look like a traditional rib tip.
My mouth watering.
Man, come on.
Ooh-wee.
Oh, man. Those are fat. Those are smoke ring.
Mm.
Mm-mm. I'm telling you, tastes like the barbecue houses that I grew up going to, man.
Hurry up, I want some.
All right, baby. I'm going to let you come on and eat with us. Peace. Get my greens now.